Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we're going to be presenting another Chinese New Year dish, Leeks with roast pork. This dish is a must-have during Chinese New Year because of the saying in Hokkien,
家省五级省五级啃.
This is because the pronunciation for counting money is the same as leeks in Chinese. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for weekly recipes. Without further ado, let's get right in. This recipe is pretty simple. First, we have 4 stalks of Chinese leeks. We will cut off the roots later on. Next, 150 grams of roast pork. If you need a simple and delicious roast pork recipe, do check out my recipe linked in the top right hand corner. Next, we have 8 pieces of dried mushrooms. They have to be soaked at least 30 minutes in advance. Some carrots for garnishing. Lastly, we have 2 cloves of garlic as the aromatics. To prepare the leeks, simply cut off the roots and remove them. Then, slice the leeks diagonally and cut them into about 1 cm thick slices. And that's all with the ingredients. And with that, let's get cooking. First, add some cold oil into a hot wok to create a non-stick coating. We will first fry the pork to render out the fat from the roast pork. After 2 to 3 minutes at high heat, set the pork aside but do not clean the wok. Using the same oil, fry the garlic at medium-high heat until fragrant. Once it's fragrant, add the carrots and cook them slightly. This will take about 30 seconds. Then, fry the dried mushrooms until fragrant. Add in the leeks and then mix evenly. Add enough boiling water to cover the ingredients. Then, cover the wok and simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix. Then, add the roast pork and begin seasoning the dish. Add about half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. A dash of white pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything evenly. If your sauce is too watery, you can add some cornstarch mixture to thicken it. And it's time to serve the dish! Do not overcook it, otherwise the leeks will turn yellow and you will not look presentable. Wishing everyone a happy Lunar New Year. Do cook this dish for a year of abundance ahead. And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you liked our video, consider subscribing for more recipes. We usually upload once a week, but we are uploading more frequently during this festive period to share more festive recipes and joy. And I'll catch you in my next video.